Hi guys, I'm back. Today we'll be going to learn very efficient project in blockchain by Juka, and we'll be going through its features, its roadmap, and how it provides solution to merchants or e-commerce platform, and how it is useful for users as well. So firstly we'll going through what is this project is all about. This project is actually Baijuka is supportive to e-commerce platform. It has a features of the blockchain, all the features of the blockchain, secured network provided by the blockchain, and e-commerce features provided uh, by Juka platform. So you'll get to know this all things together at one place. By Juka is a place where you can secure your online application with the help of blockchain. It also provides the e-commerce whole functionality support to your web application for e-commerce. So its private sale is started today, 16 June, and you can get minimum 25% if you invest minimum $150 USD in this project. You will get 25% less actually here. You'll get, and if you want to buy this token you can come to this place and buy this button. If you click this button you'll go to the exchange where you can buy this token. It is a private sale, so and its public sale will be launched on 24 June. We'll go through in the roadmap and we'll get to know about this, how it is helpful to merchants actually. So for merchant, if you want to add as a merchant, if you want to add the features of the Baijuka in your application, so firstly it's one of the best feature is that it provides you cardless transactions. Means you don't need to provide a feature where when a customer buys any product from your application where he has or she has to provide a card detail. Then that's great opportunity that you have come to right place and you can add Baijuka to your application. Baijuka is a platform which is not supporting card details. Instead, it supports the blockchain feature. If you have a Baijuka coin token, you can purchase anything on the supported uh, e-commerce platform. So it also helpful for the customer by you can invest in this project by purchasing its token and by investing in this project. So this project is very helpful, and its 3.0 version has been launched, and this is quite a good experience for users as well because they are going to get more benefit with the because the blockchain has been attached to any applications. Means if any application wants to attach a blockchain feature where people don't need to buy with the help of the USD or card details, then that's the place where Baijuka works. The ICO of the Baijuka has been launched today. Its private sale is going on. You can invest on this project by looking forward to get the more benefit. So its ICO has been launched, and actually I want to share something about this project. That's how it behaves in the future because it has been launched in April 2020 here 2021, and this project was a quite huge success, and its ISO has been launched today, 16 June, and in the coming days on 24th you will get a public ICO and you can invest more on this project. But private sale is going on. In the future this year, in September you will get a blockchain network. Then after you will get Android and iOS application where you can use this application on mobile phone as well. Then it provides exchange P2P platform in next year, and also a AI bot. So this is all about the project, and if you want to look at this project in a more detailed manner and more in a better manner, then you need to go to this white paper section here, your white paper section, and you will get everything. You will get a PDF file, and you will have a lot more detail than its website. So please read this, its private policy and all things before investing anything in the project. So hopefully it is clear about uh, Bajuka, and you will invest in this project by reading its policies. Thank you.